Okay guys, did you know that every month we eat an average of a credit card size worth of plastic, ingesting into our bodies? Waste is filling our world, and the recycling industry is in a tough spot right now. Garbage is filling our oceans. And you might ask, why is the recycling industry trash? Well, typically it's very expensive to process recycling, and plants cost millions of dollars, which makes it even more difficult for the developing world.
Yeah, the developing world, however, has an advantage because labor is cheaper. So if we can flip the process of recycling plastic upside down and make it more capital intensive, we can give these countries a comparative advantage in the market. So what we're going to do is take the core aspects of a recycling facility and scale them down to a micro level where they can be affordable to developing countries anywhere that a full recycling plant can't be built. So we're prototyping a shredder that costs less than $5,000 and can process 40 to 60 pounds an hour of plastic, turning it into a flake, whereas in the market, the cheapest shredder is about $30,000 and it doesn't turn it into the flake that you can sell directly to manufacturers. So it combines two aspects of the recycling process into one. We believe that we can change the game in the recycling industry and have an impact in the world. Thanks.